today I'm going to show you how to use a pressure washer to clean your shower. And in my opinion, this is by far the easiest way to clean a shower, especially if it's tile like ours. Because as we all know, scrubbing grout is no fun. So, today I'm going to show you how to make this work. And if you learn anything from this video or you enjoy it, please hit like and subscribe. That would help me out greatly. So let's get started. You're going to need two things to make this work, and the first one is an electric pressure washer. Please don't run a gas engine in your home. That is not safe. So if you need to pick up one of these, I highly recommend you buy them used. You can find them all over the place. Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. They'll have tons of them and they'll be super inexpensive. So once you've got an electric pressure washer, the second thing you're going to need is one of these. This is a hose connector. It's male to male and it's two different sizes. The larger size is 3/4 inch. This is the size of your typical outdoor garden hose. And the smaller size is 1/2 inch. And this is for your indoor plumbing. So let's go see how this works. All right, so the way that we use this fitting is hopefully you have one of these in your shower. And what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the head off of it. And here we've got the 1/2 inch size fitting. So the smaller side of this fitting screws right in here, like so. And then the larger size is what you attach to the hose that goes to your pressure washer. And then simply by turning on your shower head, that's how you run the water to your pressure washer. And then the only other thing that you have to do is plug in the power to your pressure washer and you're ready to start cleaning. So pressure washers draw a lot of power. So if you're trying to plug your pressure washer into your bathroom, it's possible that you have outlets that are called GFCI. And what that means is there's a breaker on them. If they draw too much power, they turn off. So if you try to plug your pressure washer into one of those, it's going to trip the switch right away and shut off the power. So if you have those kind of switches in your bathroom, try to plug it into a different one. If you need an extension cord, you can do that, but run it into another room or run it into the nearest outlet that doesn't have that, and then you won't have that issue. All right, it's disclaimer time. Do this at your own risk. I have no idea what the condition of your grout and your tile is. So you want to be careful when you start out doing this. Typical soap scum and mildew that you run into in a shower, it's no match for a pressure washer. So you can be quite far away from it and it's going to come off no problem. I usually give myself like this much space in between the end of the wand and the tile that I'm cleaning. And then in the few spots that are particularly bad, I will reduce that. But by no means do you have to be right up on the tile or the grout. So start out far away and work your way down and get a feel for how close you need to be. Second, if you're aiming your wand upwards, the mist coming off of this is going to get your ceiling wet. So if you do get your ceiling wet, what I do is I just wipe it down. With a little practice, that doesn't happen. So that's it. That's the easiest way that I know to clean your shower. And I will put a link down below to the hose connector if you need that. And again, if you like this video or you learned anything, please hit like and subscribe. Then I can share some more tips with you in the future. Thanks a lot.